Boom! What's up, guys? You already know who it is. It's your boy Kirk with JK Adventures, coming at you with a new video. This is gonna be a challenge video. It's gonna be called the Boyfriend Makeup Challenge. We're putting a whole new twist on it because I'm not doing her makeup and she's not doing my makeup. The twist being, I'm gonna be having a budget and having a limit on how much I could spend. My limit is $200. $200, and I'm gonna be buying makeup products for Juanita. She does not know what I'm buying for her. She gave me some guidelines, but I don't play by the rules. I'm gonna get her some products. She has to actually use the products. Make sure you follow her. She does a makeup channel on her Instagram. I'll leave her name down below. Also, it's gonna pop up on the screen, so you guys can definitely show her some love, and also show us, JK Adventures, some love. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave us a comment. Let us know if you want to see her make her own YouTube makeup channel. I think that'd be pretty cool. I'm going to try to get her stuff that she doesn't have in her arsenal. I'm going to get her something weird, out of this world that she never uses, and make it very difficult for her to actually put a full face on. Wish me luck. Hopefully this website goes smooth, and hopefully my credit card doesn't get declined. Let me click around and get to the website real quick. That was real quick. Had it already preloaded. I'm already logged in. Yeah, I got a username. Don't ask why. But I got a username. Too Faced? Does she like Too Faced? Too Faced eyeshadow palette. 38 bucks. That's pretty pricey. I'm gonna add some stuff to the cart, and I might take away what I see I like. I'll put in and then probably dump out. This is a pretty cool eyeshadow palette. 25 bucks. 25 bucks and you got 5 colors. When I can pay 38 bucks and I get 6, 7, 8 colors. Oh, this makeup stuff is expensive. So I'm just gonna let this ride and browse this website. So insert time lapse.
I don't think she needs brushes. Limited edition. Limited edition for 42 bucks.
I'm colorblind, so all these colors kind of look the same. This is gonna be difficult. So this is pretty cool. I just found a mermaid glitter gel, and it shows me a video of what it actually does and what it is. So this is very helpful for men getting their woman makeup products. Yeah, this is gonna be a must get. So I'm gonna add that to the cart. Boom, 18 bucks already in the cart. So I got another product. I'm gonna watch another video. Glitter and sparkle gems that stick on your face. Okay, maybe I didn't find a second product. That's a little weird. Now I'm gonna try to get an eyeshadow palette. Tarte, T-A-R-T-E, Tarte, T-Art. Anyways, this product makes a lot of things like be a mermaid. I think that's what we're gonna be going with. A mermaid theme Juanita. I think so. Maybe I might even get her the mermaid brushes. Be a mermaid and make waves eyeshadow palette. I think I'm gonna see if they have a video on this one. They do. So let me quickly look and see what this is. The name of these colors are weird. They show you what it would look like on different color girls. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna add this one to basket. I'm not mad at that. So far I have an eyeshadow palette, glitter, beautiful. Making progress here. I'm in the lip section. Is there a difference between lipstick, lip gloss, lip stain, lip liner? Do I need all that? I think a lipstick should just be fine, right? Too many options.
Do I want to pay 36 bucks for a lip stain or 19 bucks for a lipstick?
This is difficult. I might have to call in reinforcements. I got a lipstick, Kat Von D. It's the Studded Kiss Cream lipstick. Gonna go with the metallic golden red. For 20 bucks, I can't go wrong. Seems like I might match. I'm gonna go with some eyelashes. Eyelashes, what are they called? Mascara? She wanted setting powder. Where would I find setting powder? Setting spray and setting powder. Boom! So it's expensive. I didn't know these things had the rules and regulations. So there's 2 colors for a setting powder. I'm gonna probably skip on that. Let's go to mascara. Pretty sure mascara is just the same thing for everyone, I hope. But let me get the cart filled up and then I'll be right back. Alright, so total cost $157. Well under budget. Happy about that. I fought for that, you know, I'm cheap. I got the Kat Von D studded lipstick in the Adora color. I got the Urban Decay lipstick kit, so just in case that Kat Von D color doesn't work, she's got a kit to pick from. Hopefully there's a color in there that she likes. I got the Be a Mermaid Make Waves eyeshadow palette. That one's gonna be pretty cool. It comes in a cool little shell. You guys will see all the products when we do the full makeup on her. I got the mermaid glitter gel, so it's gonna really be popping. Really looking for that pop. Got the Smashbox Super Fun Mascara. Yeah, I said that real smooth because I've been forced to watch a couple Smashbox reviews. Other than that, got the eyelashes just to make the eyes a little extra woof. And then got some Kat Von D Lock-It powder. And I got her a little replenishing primer and a set spray as well. I don't know if these products will work, but we will see. And I wish her all the best. You'll see us pop back up and have her do the unboxing of all the products. Boom!
Hi guys.
I'm back. We finally got the products here in these boxes. It's a surprise. You guys remember, I'm gonna refresh Juana's memory because she doesn't know. This is the boyfriend makeup challenge order edition. So I ordered you makeup products.
Okay.
You don't know what they are.
No, I have no idea.
You have to use them and see if you can complete the challenge by using all these products. This is gonna be very interesting, and hopefully I win again.
Honestly, guys, I am so excited. I think I got this. I think with my professional skills, I got this.
Yeah, we're gonna get into it. She's gonna start unboxing these, and then she's gonna kind of explain to you and show you what the products are.
Okay, well, he bought it from Sephora. I don't know if you guys know.
Not sponsored.
Get festival ready.
This was my favorite.
A mermaid glitter gel.
This is the glitter gel.
Oh, this is so cute. Wow, look at that.
So pretty.
Oh, wow, this is like
you almost
glitter.
turned it upside down.
This is so cute. Look, guys.
Oh wow, that's like a blue glitter. Be a mermaid.
Do you want me to be a mermaid?
Pretty much.
This is a Tarte eyeshadow palette.
It's childish.
Look at how pretty the casing is. Aw, this is cute. Look, guys.
All the tones fall out.
Oh my god, stop. This is really pretty, babe.
What's it say? 99% what? Mermaid.
Wow, if you guys need him to buy your makeup, holler at your boy.
What's up?
Kirk the Third on Instagram, alright? This is Kat Von D. It's
Even
a
the
cream
box is
lipstick.
cool.
Oh yeah, guys, it's right. Thank you. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
I'll put this one back away.
Ooh, House of He got me some, these are House of Lashes, Juliet. Those are really cute. I like these. Fanned out lashes. This is a Smashbox mascara, I'm thinking.
She likes Smashbox.
So it says that it's a 12-hour volume, length, and lift. Wow. Ooh, I like that. It's small and like little.
Oh, you don't want it to be on your eyelashes? Your fake eyelashes?
No, it's smaller. You can get really into the crevices.
No, I know that when I was buying it. I called and asked them what the diameter and length is.
Wow.
Yeah.
Guys.
Yeah.
Get yourself a Kirky D, man. Oh, I wanted this so bad. Okay, so we got the Too Faced Hangover setting spray. Ooh, I like this. I wanted this.
No, I know. I googled.
Okay, listen. So Mr. Know Everything. Okay, so this is Urban Decay Little Vice. I guess it's like lipstick. Look at my wind ratchet now. Oh, great. Oh, great job. Wow. I actually like the mini lipsticks, all the different colors, and lipsticks really last you a long time. I don't know about you guys, but lipsticks last me like forever.
Well, you see the size of your lips?
We're not gonna talk about that. Ooh, look at this purple. Oh yeah. We're using that one. This is so cute, babe. Okay, so this is the Lock-It Brightening Powder.
Uh-oh, she doesn't like this one.
No. Because I was gonna see what color, but it's in golden, so yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, because golden said it gives you a yellow tone.
So it's like a setting powder.
So boom. Now we're gonna get into it. That was a little long, so yeah, we're gonna speed it up. But Juanita's now gonna do her makeup thing that she does. So let's see if she can do this challenge.
And we're back, guys.
We're back with her fully functional makeup.
Yes, it's
Definitely not a daily look. You're not gonna go out looking like you're a mermaid. Oh, you're gonna go out looking like you're a mermaid?
Okay. I guess I can't wear this look out, guys. Sorry.
Yeah, she could totally wear this out. But this is what we did. And tell us what your feedback is on all the products.
I mean, I like them. I liked all of them. I really liked the glitter. I don't think I would have ever bought that for myself. But since you picked it out, I would keep.
No, I wanted to be a little bit. I wanted to be extra.
And everything else, I mean, was good. I love the lipstick. I like purple. It's a pretty color. And I can't wait to use the lashes. We didn't use the lashes this time because I'm gonna go to bed pretty soon.
They're not cheap.
We gotta work tomorrow. So I didn't use the lashes, but other than that, I think you did a good job, babe. I'm proud of what you picked out.
Successful.
It was a success. I think it was. I like it.
Like, subscribe, smash the comment button, and fill it up with all your comments.
Leave us a comment down below if you want to see me do Kirk's makeup next, and I can use the same products. Yeah.
Anyways, guys, make sure you share this. Send this to all your friends, families, and inmates. Because we love you guys and we want you to share the love, alright?